Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Freshdesk SaaS support, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Freshdesk. Press enter to navigate to the Freshdesk homepage. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the sign up button to initiate the subscription process. You will be directed to a new page asking for your email address. Enter a valid email address in the provided field. Create a strong password and input it in the designated area. Next, click on the Get Started for Free button. You may see a pop-up prompting you to select your plan. Review the available plans and choose the one that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Select button to proceed. Now, you will need to fill out additional details such as your company name and other requested information. Make sure to fill in all required fields accurately. Once completed, click on the Continue button to move forward. You might receive a verification email in your inbox. Open your email and look for the message from Freshdesk. Click on the verification link within the email to confirm your account. After verification, return to the Freshdesk website and log in with your newly created credentials. You will now be taken to your Freshdesk dashboard. From there, follow any on-screen prompts to complete your setup and familiarize yourself with the interface. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.